Hi, thanks for joining me again this week. You know, it's that time of the year where building owners are laying out their capital plans for the new year. And speaking to building owners, I hear that a lot of them are struggling trying to get good roofing information. They tell me that number one, they're frustrated because they have roofs that haven't lasted as long as they thought they should have. They're concerned because they know they need to set up a preventative maintenance program, but they don't know how that works. How do they put that together? And they're worried because of the long lead times in the industry in the last couple of years. Are they going to make decisions that they'll be able to execute in the new year? So where do you start? Where do you get good information? Well, there's a lot of good resources within the industry. Number one, the NRCA, the National Roofing Contractors Association. Number two, IIBEC, the International Institute of Building Enclosure Consultants. Number three, the Construction Specifications Institute, CSI. All of them have regular webinars, classes, and resources that a building owner can use to start to make better roofing decisions. There's also content online, places like LinkedIn, for instance. Just watch who you're listening to, make sure you're getting good advice. What about certifications? If you're talking to somebody, and by my mind's eye, it doesn't matter if it's from the design side, the contracting side, or the material side of the fence. If the people are qualified to make good recommendations, they could be a good resource for you. So talk to a registered architect, talk to a professional engineer. But most important is when you look at a building, you need to look at the entire structure holistically, not just the roof, but the exterior walls and below-grade waterproofing. Because oftentimes a leak in a building is blamed upon the roof when it's actually some other facet of the building. So it's important to use professionals that have roofing specific experience and that may have certifications from IIBEC to look at the entire building system. So think about a registered roof consultant, an RRC, a RWC, a registered waterproofing consultant, a RBEC, a registered building enclosure consultant, or the last one, there's too many letters in there, a certified building enclosure commissioning provider. All of those people have specialized training and experience to help you make better decisions and solve your problems. Consider webinars and seminars, and do your due diligence to make sure that whoever you partner with can really help you, isn't just selling you a bill of goods. If any of this resonates with you, you'd like to learn more or explore options, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #Rolf the Roofing Guy at LinkedIn, YouTube, or Rumble. You make it a great week.